Zoey, hi Zoey, hi Zoey, hi Zoey, hi Pepper, hi Pepper, hi Pepper. It's Zoey, 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 Zoey. Ah, Zoey, Zoey. Pepper, 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 Pepper. Zoey, Zoey. Oh, it's Zoey. Good Zoey. You could be in movies, Zoey. You and your little sidekick could star in movies. Yes, you could. You could be superpowered puppies. Superpowers. Your superpower is to give kisses and cuddles to everybody and make them like you. You know it. You know it. Oh, there you are. Climbing the tall mountain. Puppy. Puppy. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Walking on sunshine, whoa. Walking on sunshine, whoa. A wagon for the kids. What'd you see, Pepper? What you see? What'd you see? You match the shade, dappled shade, white and dark, just like Pepper. Zoom. Oh, there. Across from the dahlias is Zoey. That's a beautiful picture, Zoey. You did good. You're doing pretty good. Yes, you are. Roll the cameras. You could be a dog show all by yourself. You and Pepper. Yes, you and Pepper. Pepper's nickname should be Shadow. Hi, Shadow. How are you? How are you, Shadow? How are you? How? Hey, Zoey. Good sitting, Zoey. Good sitting. You're a star. You're good at sitting too, Pepper. Yes, you are. Little look at the coneflowers, daisies, the Shastas, the great big dahlia. Peter planted this one. It's really big. And then here we are back at the superstars themselves. Ba-boom, 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 ba-boom. We're a star. We're a star. Let's head our way back now. Let's go to the house. Home. Going home. Let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go home. Passing the horse on our way. Let's go home. Let's go home. Uh-oh. You can't get through a fence. That's why it's there. You have to wait. You have to wait for the fence. I'll put your leashes on before we go outside. Yes, we're going home. We're going home. Yes, we are. Everybody's going home. Quick, quick. Let's get leashes on.